We're gonna talk poultry processing setup and how we do it around here. First, we gotta catch the birds up, and we do that the night before processing day. And it looks a little something like this. We load the birds up 8 per crate, put them on a trailer, park them right over here, and then wake up the next morning bright and early, and we go green light. We divide our processing up into 2 stages. Stage 1, clean. Stage 2, dirty. Once we have all the equipment set up, we clean it down. Then we're ready to go. We load 8 birds into the kill cone. Now we're not going to show that part of it, but let them bleed out after cutting the throat. And then when they're dispatched, next they go to the scalder. This is hands down the most important piece of the puzzle. If something goes wrong here, it sets the pace for the entire day and ripples all the way through the entire process. The water in here has to be at 145 degrees. Any lower or higher doesn't work right. This thing regulates the temperature for us, but to help us decrease the time it takes to get the water to temp, I'm gonna show you something. We got a water heater. Before this, we had to light the tank 2 hours ahead of time. Now, 30 minutes, it's just good to go. Got the red hose here that supplies us with hot water to fill that tank, and also to replenish it as the day goes on. We load 2 birds into each tube and set a timer for 85 seconds and let them rotate. Now, how do we get that 85 seconds exact? Let me introduce you to a valued member of the team that sometimes doesn't understand the Southern dialect. Alexa, set timer for 85 seconds.
1 minute and 25 seconds, starting now.
Also, she provides motivational support, helps us get in rhythm, and keep our sanity. Alexa, play processing playlist.
Your playlist, processing playlist, on Amazon Music.
When that's done, they move over to the plucker and we mash this handy dandy foot pedal. They go round and around for a minute or so. Once they're done playing Twister, they start going down the line. I just gotta say, they go in the bay and have water misting down on them before going to the cutting boards. Got some conveniently located water hoses with a handheld nozzle for washing when necessary. When they're done, they go in this chill tank and take an ice water bath for at least 4 hours, and then stage 1 is complete. Before stage 2 begins, we gotta do some cleaning. Stage 2 involves quality control, piecing out, bagging, and tagging. Now we're gonna go through the steps. We take the bird out of the chill tank, goes to the table, to a deboning cone. We use these for quality control. Spin the bird around, look at it, bagging it, and also piecing them out. This is the most labor-intensive and time-consuming part of the process. Once that's done, it goes to the bagging table, and then they get vacuum sealed, tagged, and they go in the freezer.
Load us up, Andrew.
Sure. So where's that, a 2 to 3?
Yep.
That's that.
That's that.
But we're not done yet. We break out the cleaning supplies again, wash everything down, take the tractor, haul everything over to the compost pile, come back. By then it's like 4 or 5 o'clock, take showers, go get us some food. Usually that doesn't include chicken. Got this fan here that provides some good, cool air circulation. Or I want to film an Herbalescent commercial. Hair didn't budge. Well, that's all she wrote. Hope you was able to glean something from that, help you better know your food, know your farmer. See you on the next one.